Think you're doing your car a favor by hunting for the cheapest gallon in town? Think again. We have over 200 gasoline brands across the states, but only 60 are actually top-tier certified. And even inside that group, quality isn't equal. So which one do you use? Whatever the case, never use these 13 gasoline brands. The American Automobile Association (AAA) conducted a study that found some fuels create 19 times more engine deposits in just 4,000 miles. I'll also show you the 7 that actually protect your engine, but first, let's start with the ones to avoid. Number 13, Safeway. For groceries, yep, for gasoline, nope. Most drivers see that familiar red logo and assume the fuel matches the store's quality. That's where the mistake begins. Safeway gas stations are not top-tier certified. Yes, it meets basic EPA standards, but basic is the keyword here. It has significantly fewer cleaning additives in every gallon. What does that actually mean for your car? It allows carbon deposits to bake onto your fuel injectors and inside your combustion chambers. You might not notice it today, but while your car feels normal, your engine is slowly choking on its own soot. That leads to rough idling, sluggish response, and a steady drop in MPG. If you want a responsive engine, don't let convenience cost you a fuel system overhaul later. Number 12, Sam's Club. Don't be fooled by the low prices and the ability to stack up rewards. With prices often 20 to 25 cents lower than the station across the street, the temptation is real. You're looking at saving maybe $150 a year, but here's the trade-off. Sam's Club fuel is not top-tier certified. Unlike premium brands, it lacks high-performance detergents like polyethylamine P, the gold standard cleaning agent found in high-end fuels. Instead, they stick to the bare minimum EPA requirements, usually using cheaper additives like polyacetylbutylene, PIB. These are keep clean additives, not deep clean additives. In modern direct injection engines, that distinction is the difference between a clean intake valve and a $1,000 carbon cleaning bill. Is $150 in savings worth a degraded engine? Number 11, Love's Travel Stops. These stations are built for one thing, keeping the supply chain moving. They are packed with 18-wheelers and RVs 24/7. This creates a hidden danger, extreme turnover. Because the demand is constant, those massive underground tanks are refilled multiple times a day. If you happen to pull up while a tanker is dropping its load, the turbulence stirs up sediment and moisture at the bottom of the tank. If that grit hits your fuel pump, it's game over. Furthermore, these locations prioritize diesel. The gasoline side of the business is often an afterthought. On a cross-country road trip, it's fine in a pinch, but for your daily driver, you want fuel that isn't being stirred up like a muddy pond every 3 hours. Number 10, Pilot Flying J. With over 750 locations, the scale is massive, leading many to believe that big means better. But Pilot isn't widely recognized as a top-tier brand. Their business model is optimized for long-haul trucking, not the sensitive tolerances of a modern turbocharged 4-cylinder. Without those enhanced detergent packages, your engine's efficiency slowly erodes. Drivers also frequently report inconsistent pump pressure and shutoff issues. It sounds like a minor annoyance, but it's a symptom of a station that focuses on volume over precision. If their pumps aren't perfectly calibrated, how much do you trust the chemistry of the fuel inside them? Number 9, Murphy USA. This is the gas station you hit when you're leaving Walmart. It's fast, it's cheap, and it's convenient. But have you ever noticed that a tank of Murphy gas seems to disappear faster than a tank from a premium station? You aren't imagining things. Lower-cost setups often prioritize price point over energy consistency. Because they focus on high turnover, the fuel storage tanks see massive temperature fluctuations and constant refills. You aren't necessarily getting bad gas, but you are getting inconsistent gas. Over months of driving, that lack of consistency forces your engine's computer to constantly adjust timing to prevent knock, which robs you of power and fuel economy. Number 8, Amoco. Amoco looks like a classic American staple, but here's the reality. It hasn't been an independent company since 1998. It's a marketing badge owned by BP. After being phased out, it was brought back in 2017 purely as a branding strategy. Why does that matter? Because when a name is used as a recycled badge, consistency goes out the window. One Amoco might be supplied by a high-quality terminal, while another is just a rebranded station selling whatever is cheapest in the local network. You aren't buying a legacy fuel, you're buying a logo. If you're finding this breakdown helpful, do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe so we can keep your engine running longer. Number 7, Circle K. With 16,000 locations, they are a global giant. But here is the kicker, they lost their top-tier certification in 2019. They ended their partnerships with premium suppliers like Shell and Phillips 66 to source their own house fuel. When a company stops paying for the certification, it usually means they've changed the recipe to favor their bottom line. You might save 5 cents a gallon, but you're losing the additive packages that your owner's manual actually recommends. Modern engines are built with tight tolerances. Feeding them minimum standard fuel is a slow-motion disaster for your fuel injectors. Number 6. Speedway. Before 2021, Speedway was owned by Marathon, a top-tier giant. Then 7-Eleven bought them for $21 billion. Since that merger, the focus shifted from fuel quality to retail traffic. They want you inside buying a soda, not worrying about your intake valves. Speedway no longer carries the top-tier seal. When a company is selling billions of gallons, saving just 2 cents per gallon on additives results in $100 million in extra profit. That money isn't going into your car, it's going to their shareholders. Is your engine the one paying the price for their margins? Number 5. BP. BP is the parent company to many of the brands we've mentioned. Interestingly, BP used to be a top-tier leader, then they quietly dropped off the list. For a company of this scale, that is a calculated decision. When you lower the additive standards across thousands of stations, it affects millions of cars. Because BP runs a multi-brand network, the quality can vary wildly from one zip code to the next. If the parent company won't commit to the highest industry standards, why should you commit your engine to their fuel? Number 4. Kroger Fuel Centers. The Kroger model is simple: shop for milk, save on gas. But to offer discounts of up to $1 per gallon, the margins have to be made up somewhere. These are low-cost, high-volume operations. Most grocery-run gas stations treat fuel as a loss leader, a way to get you into the store. Consequently, station maintenance and long-term filtration upkeep are rarely the priority. If a store's primary revenue is groceries, how much attention do you think they're paying to the moisture filters on their fuel lines? Number 3. Walmart Fuel Stations. Walmart's core mission is low prices, and their fuel is no different. They rely on third-party suppliers that can change based on whoever offers the lowest bid that week. This means zero consistency for your engine. One week you might get decent fuel, the next you're getting the bare minimum. Using it once or twice won't kill your car, but making it a habit is like eating fast food for every meal. It's fine for a quick fix, but it's not a long-term health strategy for your vehicle. Number 2. 7-Eleven. As the parent company of Speedway, 7-Eleven is a convenience empire, not a fuel engineering firm. They are here for the retail turnover. Fuel is just the hook to get you into the parking lot. Because they use a highly fragmented supply chain and various management structures, the additive consistency at the pump level is all over the map. It's convenience-driven, not performance-driven. If you value your car's longevity, don't buy your fuel from the same place you buy a microwave burrito. Number 1. Arco. Arco has a confusing reputation. Many people confuse it with Amoco, but they aren't related. Arco's entire identity is built on being the cheapest option. They historically used a no-frills model to undercut everyone else. In the world of fuel, no frills is code for minimum additives. Arco sits at the bottom of this list because they prioritize the price on the sign over the health of your fuel system. In an era where modern engines rely on high-pressure precision, cheap is the most expensive thing you can put in your tank. Those were the ones to avoid, but as promised, here are the 7 best gasoline brands that will actually extend the life of your engine. Number 7. Quick Trip QT. Also known as Quick Star, QT has a cult following for a reason. They aren't just a gas station, they are a logistics powerhouse. They control a massive portion of their own supply chain, meaning their fuel doesn't sit around in stagnant tanks. High turnover equals fresh fuel. Their internal standards for station cleanliness and pump maintenance are some of the strictest in the industry. Number 6. Costco Wholesale. Costco is the exception to the cheap gas rule. They sell fuel under the Kirkland Signature label, and it is top-tier certified. In fact, Costco often exceeds the required amount of detergents. They use the low price as a membership perk, not a way to skimp on quality. If you can handle the long lines, your engine and your wallet will thank you. Number 5. Quick Trip QT. Wait, why are they here again? Because consistency is their superpower. Whether you're in Georgia or Arizona, QT's centralized distribution means the fuel quality is virtually identical. They use high-flow filtration and strict moisture monitoring. For a driver who wants zero surprises, QT is a safe haven. Number 4. ExxonMobil. With over 140 years in the game, ExxonMobil doesn't play around with chemistry. Their Synergy additive package is specifically engineered to reduce friction and scrub deposits off intake valves. This isn't just marketing fluff, it's verifiable science that exceeds regulatory requirements. It might cost a few cents more, but the cleanup effect of Synergy fuel is worth it. Number 3. Chevron. When you think Chevron, you think Techron. This is arguably the most famous fuel additive in history, and for good reason. Techron is a specialized detergent that targets carbon buildup in the combustion chamber. Many mechanics, myself included, recommend a tank of Chevron fuel to help clear out minor hesitation issues. It's fuel and fuel system cleaner all in one. Number 2. Texaco. Texaco is the hidden gem of the top-tier world. Since they are closely linked with Chevron's refining system, they also utilize Techron technology. You're getting world-class additive science, often at a slightly lower price point than Chevron stations. It's stable, reliable, and has been trusted by generations of drivers. Number 1. Shell. Shell takes the top spot because of their V-Power Nitro Plus technology. They don't just meet top-tier standards, they blow them away. Their formula is designed to remove up to 100% of performance-robbing deposits. Whether you're driving a brand new turbo or a 200,000-mile survivor, Shell's consistency and cleaning power are unmatched globally. It is the gold standard for a reason. Here's the problem: fuel quality is only half the story. The way you fill up and how you drive matters just as much. Get it wrong and you're wasting money every single day. I broke it all down in the next video. Tap the link below to see the mistakes you're making at the pump.